Hi you guys, today we're doing a video I've been waiting a while to do. It's like a versus or a kind of like comparison video. We're going to be doing the Boxy Charm and the Allure beauty box. I'm really excited about these. They're both about the same price, but these are full-size products, guys. And I'm used to getting like the Ipsy bag, which is like just little products, like little testers. So I'm actually really excited about these ones for the full-size products and seeing what we get. I have no idea which one to do first. So these are how the boxes look. Alright, and I like how this one like does the hologram, I guess. I'm gonna do the Allure box first just because it looks easier to open. It just pops open like that. It has this cute little paper, and it has like, and I think this tells you, yeah, it tells you like about the products that you get inside of the box. I usually just read the product and see what they are. But oh, this already looks really cool, guys. I'm gonna show you. Like for the, I'm not sure if these are full. Yeah, they're full. They're definitely full size. So we'll start with this. We have Main Magic. It's like a multi-benefit 10-in-1 primer for your hair. You'll use it before heating. So like before using any kind of heat product on it. I really like that. It has anti-frizz, which I really need. So like that's definitely something I like. Baby, I'm doing my video right now. Okay, go watch your video like I said. Told you.
I'm doing that in front.
Okay, just be quiet. I love you. And so the next product we have is the Dewy Streak. It's a highlighting balm. Ava, please go back and watch your video. I'm turning it off.
Put on, Mom.
Let's go ahead and try this out and see how it works. Okay, hold on. I don't know if that's a good spot. Let's try it on the skin. My skin's like already shiny, so I can see it in real life. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is actually like, oh yeah, it gets like a highlight, definitely. And I like that it's a stick because I don't really know how to like do highlighter that well, so maybe this will be easier to learn. I'm definitely really excited about it though. And this is from, I'm not sure how to say it, like Ciate, London. I'll show you guys. It says it right up there. Alright, now we have a Balanced Toner by Akar. I really like the variety in here and what we already have gotten. I need to take these out so I don't mix them up. And those are already itself is two full like size products, so you know what I mean, it's kind of crazy. So this is what it looks like. A toner. I'm pretty sure you put that on after you wash your face, right? Well, I'll read the directions before I use it, but yeah, I definitely like that. Definitely something I can use. I love face products and I love hair products, and this is a hydrating and calming serum, so that's something I'll probably definitely like. So you're supposed to use this morning and night after washing your face. It's a clear little serum. I'm actually really super excited about these. And this is only the first box, so like it's almost like Christmas. If you ever want to have a little bit of Christmas every month, then just get yourself a box. No matter which one you think you like better, try something out, because like the best thing you do is when you get these little boxes. It's so awesome. This is color correcting treatment. It even looks like, I don't know, like kind of like medicine. So it neutralizes redness and protects skin. So that's actually something I can use. Like even in the video, if you can see, like I have like a red tone. So awesome. Loose setting powder, translucent. We're gonna open this up and see what it looks like. I've never used a setting powder. I know, shame on me. But I'm definitely gonna be learning more and more about makeup. And I definitely want to learn more and more about makeup. So like it has this like little screen on it, I think. Alright guys, I'm definitely... Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to open this, so I don't want to mess it up. Oh wait, here it is. So this is like how it looks, so it's like a loose powder, which is what it says on it anyways. And I know that it's like kind of like baking, or it's like the last thing you do, like one of the last things you do. So I'm gonna learn, like I'm gonna definitely learn how to use more products. And this is inspiration to learn how to use more products, because I would never buy that on my own. But the fact that now I already have it, I can learn how to use it. Hydrating Illuminer. So we're gonna open this up and see how this is. This is the last thing in the box, and I'm already really happy. Oh no, I lied. There's one more thing in the box. So I'm not done yet.
I need to spray bun in her, Mom.
Okay, baby. So that's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's like a... almost like a moisturizer. This is hydrates and glows, so...
What are you doing?
I'm almost done with my video with you, okay?
What's that? What's that?
I'm not sure. My tomato plant?
The mini pants over there.
Yeah, and then I have this...
I like metal pants. I like metal pants.
lip filler? Lip liner? Ava, baby, go back over there where you're doing, or lay on the floor like you're doing. Just be quiet about it, okay? So I don't actually ever use lip liner. Don't know if I ever will use lip liner, but maybe there's alternative uses for it. Let me see the color. Oh, it writes on really smoothly. It's like a little dark, definitely for me, but it almost looks like something you could fill your eyebrows in with. See, that's how little I know about makeup. But like I said, this box subscription definitely is something that's helping me motivate me. Learn more about makeup and do more makeup. Hey, baby. What did I say?
What are you doing?
I'm doing my video, so either go lay down in the room or lay down right there. Alright, so we're just gonna pack all this stuff back in the little box. I don't know why it's all gonna come out of the box anyways, but I guess for now, just put it back in the box. Ava, you're yelling. Life of a 2-year-old, she just tripped over her freaking one thing. I'm sorry about that, guys. Ava tripped over her hula hoop. So now we're going to be opening the Boxy Charm. This is cute too. I've heard a lot of good things about this box, but I did like that Allure box a lot. So this is padded, so it has padding in it, alright. And it's starting off with, let me show you like how it looks. Oh shoot. And we have, oh, this little thing's falling. Some more Luxie brushes. I got this in my my Ipsy bag too. But this one has multi-pack and multi-sizes. And I love the sparkles on the handles. So I already love that. I needed more brushes. I only have one size, and that was the other one I got. So Ava took over my old ones. Tarte. shimmering lip paint. I love how when it's like golden, when you open it, it's like purple. It looks like fancy. My nails are so bad right now. I'm so sorry about that. I used the nail polish I got and I actually really liked it. It was just like I painted them a week ago, so now they're chipped and messed up. You guys, look how shiny this is. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna use it right now. Might as well. I wish I could be more in the video. We're gonna try this in a very awkward way that I'm sitting. It smells like sugar. Oh, I like that. Do you see that shimmer? And it smells like brown sugar, and this is like my new favorite thing. Maybe it's vanilla. Guys, I'm in love with this. Definitely already, this is only the second thing in the box and I'm in love with this box. I'm gonna keep it in its really cute little box because I love that box. It doesn't taste like vanilla, but it smells really good like vanilla, so take it. Face mask. I'm very scared about face masks because of what happened with my other one. But we have 2 of them. I'll try them with my best friend and I'll see how they work and I'll let you guys know how they worked. I'm excited. I do love face masks. It's just that my face is very picky on what brands or what's in it as well. Alright, I do see a full-size palette, guys. What? I'm excited. We could do some splotches. Oh my god, oh, this, I love it. I love nudes and neutrals and like neutrals. Look at that. That's awesome. We're gonna go ahead and splotch some on my arm and I'll show you guys how it comes out after. I already really love these boxes, guys. Definitely worth it. Like even if it, like you don't know how to do makeup necessarily, this gives you motivation to even look up YouTube tutorials or like inspiration. Even on Facebook, there's so much different people that are teaching makeup or showing makeup, so don't be discouraged. Go ahead and like always try something new. I love glitters and I love neutrals, and I'm like love that I got a full-size palette. Like this is probably in itself as much or half of what I paid for this whole box. It probably would splotch a lot better if I was not using my finger because they are kind of light. But I'm not like a master at splotching either, so it could just be me. This is my first time actually trying to do like splotches and show you guys. And since there are also a lot of nudes too, like it's a little harder. I'm honestly really excited about this box. There's one more item left in this Boxy Charm too. I just got excited about this palette, so I wanted to show you. Oh, that one's so pretty. The glitters on here are really good. Like they're really pigmented. I'm going to skip a couple colors, guys, because I'm running out of room on my arm. And I don't use all these colors anyways. Not that you guys wouldn't, but alright guys, this is how it is. As you can see, the darker colors turned out a lot better than the lighter colors. I actually really love this palette. Those are all really pretty colors. I love the glitter. So I would definitely say that is worth the price. I'm 100% in love. Look at my fingers. I'm 100% in love with this box. For only $25 a month, like, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. And then we have this last thing. Intensive eye care, day and night eye cream. Yes. If you know me, you know I have circles under my eyes. I'm a mom. This is perfect. I'm definitely going to use this tonight. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I mean, it just looks like cream, but you know, might as well. I'm going to keep this little cover, but I don't know why I smelled it. It doesn't smell like anything special. that's it, you guys, and that's it for both boxes. I gotta say, I don't even know if I can choose one that is better. Like, they both had really good products in all. I think this full-size eyeshadow palette did kind of win me over, but the Allure box had so many good items too, and it's such a mix of different things. Do I have to choose? Let me see. Let me look in here again. The Allure, okay, what I'm going to say is the Allure box has more variety, a bunch of different, not just makeup, but it has like serums, as well as highlighters, as well as hair products. And the Boxy Charm was mostly more like makeup items, makeup related. So I think it depends on what, if you're looking for more just makeup, I would do the Boxy Charm. And if you're looking for more of a variety and other things, not just makeup, then I would do the Allure box. And I think that was a good way to describe it. And that's why I'm sticking to it. So thank you guys for doing this with me. I was really excited about this box, and I had a really good time doing this box. So please like and subscribe to my page, and you guys have a good night, okay?